Morning, everyone. I'm eating my brown rice gluten-free shit and some eggs and some pineapple and a smoothie, of course. And my phone's ringing. So I'm like in love with this brown rice stuff because it tastes so good. Oh my god. And it's gluten-free. I kind of like gluten-free crap. It just tastes better. Only reason, I'm kidding. I used to hate gluten-free crap. Now I know why people use it. Because in flour there's gluten. And it makes your stomach go crazy. There's a kitty. Kitty's good. So, yeah. My location has been, Ontario for a while now, and I forgot to tell you guys, but I moved from there into a place where more family is, which is Nova Scotia. So now that you got that updated, I moved to like 3 years ago. Figured it out now. He's going the other line. You guys can't see it, and I can't do it with one hand. Shit, he left. There you go. I'm gonna go and eat, and I'll talk to you later. I'm gonna go eat my food. Bye. Okay, it's not blurry. We just watched the McDonald's guy.
It's supposed to be nice tomorrow too.
Yay!
Tomorrow on Saturday today.
Just 2 beach days, man, right?
Yeah.
Woo! And we just watched the McDonald's thing. It's like, he's like, I'm gonna drive the car. Oh my god. Weirdest show on the planet. It's not a show. I'm driving, and then he falls off and hits the car, and his hand goes right through the freaking window. Oh, that's crazy. Jesus. You want to see my outfit of the day? Okay. These pants, amazing pants, and this right here, amazingness. Should I not wear like anything to the beach, or should I wear my glasses? Should I see or should I not see?
Up to you.
Okay. I'm gonna see. Such a photographer. Oh my god, we're up here on the rock and we're taking a lot of photos. We have 2 rocks here, the big one and the small one.
Yeah, I want to make sure.
So much fun. I'm recording it so when they go.
Oh, that was cheese.
Oh,
Not that bad.
oh, this is tough.
Oh god.
Oh, I think I might be able to do it. Oh, I did it. Oh. Oh. Can you do it? Can you do it? Oh, these are like killing on the feet. Oh. Oh. I need this. That was fun as hell, wasn't it? Okay guys, it's the end now. Yeah, like my channel's ending. No, I'm kidding. So I guess some Sims news of the week. Kim and Courtney got 5 stars, so they're really popular. And how many does Chloe have? 5? She's 5 now? And then North, which is... I don't know if North is a boy or not. If you guys know what North is, then tell me in Twitter or something. I don't know. I just want to know because I'm like, is it a boy or a girl? Maddie thinks it's a girl. That's why she made it a girl. I just want to know for sure. I'm too lazy to Google shit. So, yeah. Oh my god. So I got our new video that's coming up already. Yeah, it's like you guys should know what it is, but it's pretty hilarious because like we found the funniest like Urban Dictionary things. It was just crazy. So yeah. I don't know if I'll make a video for tomorrow because nothing is going on tomorrow on Friday, but I probably will. So I'll see you guys later. Good damn. Try something new because Clean and Clear, it's working, but it's not working the best. Where's Neutrogena? Neutrogena. Right there. Does it have what I want? Killing bucket list. Is it around the corner here? Right here.
Check it out. Somebody's selling to one of the homies.
Ooh. I'm gonna kill you, mofo.
Hey, partner, I'm working, man. What you need? What you need, dog?
You know what I need?